Welcome back to Bermuda Grass Central with BYD's Big Yard Dog. Hey guys, I know you saw my thumbnail, and guys, we've done all the Milorganite videos that we can just stand, all right? It is time for a change, and BYD is gonna make that change for you. So stay tuned.
You're watching Bermuda Grass Central, changing the world 1 yard at a time.
Okay, yard fanatics, look, we've made leaps and bounds of improvement with the Milorganite, all right? And if you saw my last video I did last season, I said this is my last time using Milorganite. Well, I'm about to bring a new product online, and actually I used this product I think twice in some of my videos. I think I did it in how to optimize your lawn, and I think I did it in the Milorganite killer video. Okay, we did it in that video right there. But today I'm about to, and it's not going to be a long video, it's just introduction, because I know some of you guys are wondering, BYD, look, you hadn't made a video, what are we supposed to be putting out? Bear this in mind, guys. If your yard is full of weeds still, your first application of fertilizer will be a weed and feed, all right? You can apply this with a weed and feed, but your actual first application is going to be a weed and feed. For those of you who've pretty much gotten 80 to 90% of the weeds out of your lawn, this is what we're going to go with. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, yard fanatics, look. Like I said, this is going to just be an introduction to purely organic lawn food. And guys, like I said, this product, I don't know if you can see that, but it's been around for a minute, and actually it's not available in all stores, but it's available in some stores, all right? So in my region, I stay in the South, I haven't been able to find it in the store, but it's available at Amazon, Walmart, and Home Depot. And when I say that, you can order it online. Remember, guys, if you order this product and you're going to be a part of this thing with BYD, we're going to make that change over to purely organic lawn food, away from Milorganite. And like I said, if I turned you on to Milorganite and you love it, you can still keep using it, but we're headed a different direction, guys. We can't keep making videos about the same product all the time. Sometimes we have to venture out and try new items just to see, all right? And let me just go ahead and give you the pros and cons of each of these products real quick. Well, one thing you already know, Milorganite is made from human sewage, okay? It's made by a sewage plant, and they take the bugs that eat the sewage, and those microorganisms, you end up putting them in your yard, and your yard grows thick and green, all right? Milorganite works, it's outstanding, all right? The difference is this product right here is more of a plant-based formula, and I'll go ahead and zoom in on that. Let me show you a plant-based product, and you can see it right there. And this is basically a direct competition with Milorganite, all right? You see what it says. Non-offensive odor, no manure, all right? And we all know Milorganite has a little PU smell to it, all right? Now, the beauty about this product right here, it covers 5,000 square feet, whereas Milorganite only covers 2,500 square feet. And guys, if you see all this writing on the bag, this is the actual bag that I had in the Future of Milorganite video. And BYD predicted something, guys. Now, it's 36 pounds. The newer bags are coming out with 32 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. They took 4 pounds off. The analysis is still the same, 640. You're getting less product, but the prices are going up. All right, with this product right here, and I'll tell you the price on that, it was $14 when I bought it, 2,500 square feet. This product right here is, when I bought it online, it was 22. I'm gonna round this off, $23, and it's 25 pounds, but it covers 5,000 square feet, guys. 5,000 square feet. So you're getting more coverage with the Purely Organic than you are with the Milorganite. All right. And let's go ahead and flip these bags over, and I want to show you something else real quick. Okay, guys, now that we got it flipped over, let me go ahead and show you one thing I really want to show you real quick. If I can zoom in on it, it's the analysis. All right, the analysis on the Milorganite is 640. 6% nitrogen, 4% phosphorus, 0% potash. All right. Now, I will say this. One thing I do like about this Milorganite is that it has 2.5% iron in it. All right, that's still a good thing with Milorganite. All right, let's go over to the Purely Organic. As you can see, the analysis is a little bit bigger. We got 10% nitrogen, 0% phosphorus, and 2% potash on the back end. You can see the analysis right there, which is 7.1% water soluble, which means it goes directly into the ground. 2.9% water insoluble, that's like a slow release. Soluble potash, you get a dose of that at 2% right there, guys. I've used this in the past and I love it. One thing on the back, let's go ahead and like I said, I'm breezing through this, guys, because this will be in the resurrection video that BYD will be doing. This promotes a lush green lawn. All right, I'm just going to kind of go through it. The directions on here: plant anywhere from 4 to 8 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So this 25-pound bag, guys, and they're saying 5,000 square feet, so that's basically 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. And it basically tells you what spreaders you can use, how to apply it, which you basically do your little trim pass and you apply in the middle. You need to water this in, guys, though, the same day that you apply it. If possible, that's how you're going to get the best results. Now, you can aerate or core aerate the same day that you do this right here. All right, and like I said, you got to keep this moist, and it says it right there, between 3 and 4 days after you apply. So it's best to apply it early in the morning. You don't want to apply it while it's super hot. Keep the lawn moist for a couple of days. If you got light rains coming, that's a good thing right there also, guys. And we have down here the spreaders you can use. One thing though I do like about it is, and I use, look, I got my old iPhone right here, and it has a QR code. So let's go ahead and hit it with that QR code and see what comes up. All right, now I don't know if you can see that, but if you can actually see that, let me see if I can get a good video of that. Good video of that. It basically sends you to their website, but you can scroll up. Oh, and it says right there where you can get it: Amazon, Home Depot, Walmart. It has a thing on here, shows you how to apply it, why lawn food, I guess, telling you why you should use it, tips for use. They have a thing down here you can click on, it tells you what kind of spreader settings on here too. You got spreader settings. So that's one good thing about it, that has a QR code on here, guys. So when you're at the store, you can actually get all this information you need right there on the spot. Like I said, okay, guys, that's just basically an introduction of it into the new fertilizer that we're going to start using here soon, which is the Purely Organic. Like I said, I'm gonna let you see what the yard looks like right now. Like I said, mine is coming out of dormancy right here. It's looking pretty good, you know. I mean, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Like I said, we're still having issues a little bit with that poana right there. We've treated that again. We're not going to aerate it the first application we're going to do. And one thing you need to know, guys, if you have a lawn that has a lot of weeds in it, guys, I mean, when I say a lot of weeds, you know what I'm talking about. You got weeds everywhere. Do not aerate your yard at all. Because if you aerate your yard, when you pull those plugs out, those seeds will fall, weed seeds will fall down in those holes, and you're just prolonging getting rid of those weeds, especially if you got a lot of pollen. All right, so like I said, treat that with the Image Red label. You should be fine. Like I said, I get a little closer. Hopefully you can see this. Zoom in a little bit. And it's starting to come through. Now this side, like I said, this side over here is the hybrid side. Still a little higher than the common Bermuda side. And we got that golf course over here. You can see this, which is that ryegrass. So Guys were asking me how was I going to handle that. I'm not going to spray anything on it. I'm going to keep cutting it. And we're going to see the transition of the Bermuda when this dies off and the Bermuda starts to take over, all right? Guys, if you want to know what spread I'm using, I'm not using Big Boy. Like I said, we did like Michael Jackson. We made that change. And we're going to use the Let's Go 50-pound spreader, all right? And like I said, this is the name brand that the pros use, all right? Anytime you see one of those trucks pull up, they're always bringing around a Let's Go spreader. This is the 50-pound home professional spreader. And I'm just giving you a little run around so you can kind of see what it looks like. You know, air-filled tires, plastic cover, keep stuff from coming out. You got a grate in there so to catch those clumped up fertilizers. If you have any that's clumped up, it won't go through there. It'll get caught right there. And you got that agitator, which you can actually buy another agitator to go on to that. But this one works pretty good. This is how we adjust it back here. All right, and like I said, the Purely Organic bag does not have a Let's Go spreader. I did do a video called How to Calibrate Your Spreader, Calibrating Spreader Settings Made Easy. Look at that video first if you decide to go ahead and buy this, all right? Okay guys, before we get away from here, I poured some out in a bowl just so you can see what it looks like. If you can see that, it's grainy. Reminds me of those breakfast cereals, honey oats or whatever it is. I can't even think of the name of them, but they're like clusters. As far as the smell, let me smell it. Like I said, to me, it smells like old beer. It's kind of airy feeling, kind of light, but not too light, whereas it would just blow away. But that's what it looks like up close. Purely organic lawn food.
Okay, yard fanatics, just remember one thing. You're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.